weaning of reproduction hens occurs in the darkhouse sheds. With its long experience, Sperotto has developed ad hoc solutions to optimize the various phases of growth of chickens bred in these special structures. The first phase is growth from the chick to the pullet stage. The ventilation and air exchange systems in these structures eliminate the infiltration of external light. Automated system provides for the weighing and simultaneous homogeneous batching and distribution of animal feed throughout the poultry house in accordance with each phase of growth. Laying begins at the end of the weaning period, which occurs in optimum environmental and climatic conditions. In this phase, the animals are housed in structures specifically designed for the needs of reproduction hens. For this type of breeding, Sperotto has invested considerable efforts in the research and development of the automatic collective nest. The nest creates a comfortable and suitable environment which ensures an increase in egg fertility, very high hatching rates, and almost total elimination of egg laying on the floor. Because of their particular construction, Sperotto nests are ideal structures for the laying of eggs, which gently roll outside the nest onto polypropylene conveyors, especially perforated to ensure hygienic conditions and proper ventilation. The egg collection table, with its surface and soft PVC, is designed for use with 1 or 2 operators. At the end of daily rations, the automated feed batching system is automatically raised by a motorized system to allow maximum space and comfort for the animals.